Hello everyone, I'm JB Dean and this is Fun Eye TV. Today we are making creatures out of candy. And not just any creatures, we are making Cartoon Cat and Siren Head. Yes, we're going to make those two creatures out of candy. But first, we have to go shopping at one of the largest candy stores in the world, BA Sweeties. So let's go! Maddie, it's lit up. It's lit. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. Oh no, it's in the can. Okay, let's go. Looks like it got a little messy towards the end, but we did get all the candy that we needed to do our arts and crafts to make Siren Head and Cartoon Cat out of candy. So, who should we put together first? I think we should put Cartoon Cat together first. It'll be very interesting on how we get to do that. Alright, let's go to it. So, in order to make Cartoon Cat, I got a Whirly Pop, pink bones, I got some candy buttons, and I got some red vines, black licorice. Alright, let's see if we can make Cartoon Cat. Okay, well, it sort of resembles Cartoon Cat. Let's go on to the next one. Let's do Siren Head and see how well I can do on Siren Head. I'm going to make Siren Head's upper body from his neck up. So I got a couple different nerd ropes. I got a tropical, which I've never seen a tropical nerd rope before, so I had to get that. And I got the original rainbow nerd rope. And I got 2 of the Candy Treasure cones. Let's go see if we can make Siren Head. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and maybe you can make your own favorite creatures at home as well out of candy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Fun Eye TV. Hey, no, that's my candy. Don't eat that. No, I'm almost done. No, okay guys, I gotta go. Someone's trying to eat my candy. No.